Hey, are you tired of working hard and still feeling stuck financially? Do you feel like no matter how many hours you put in, you're just not getting ahead? It's frustrating, right? You're not alone. Many people feel the same way, trapped in a cycle of endless work with little to show for it. I get it. It feels like there's never enough time in the day to get everything done. You're constantly rushing, trying to meet deadlines, and it seems like the work just keeps piling up. The stress can be overwhelming, and it feels like you're always playing catch-up. And then there's the money issue. No matter how hard you work, it feels like there's never enough. Bills keep coming in, unexpected expenses pop up, and your wallet always seems to be empty. It's exhausting and disheartening. But what if I told you there's a simple, proven way to start generating real cash flow online right now? Imagine being able to work from the comfort of your home, setting your own hours, and finally having the financial freedom you've been dreaming of. It's possible, and I'm here to show you how. Introducing the Cash Now funnel, your shortcut to financial freedom. Imagine a life where financial stress is a thing of the past. This is the same system that's helping people just like you achieve their financial dreams. Whether you're looking to make a little extra cash on the side or aiming for a full-time income, the Cash Now funnel has got you covered. With this system, you can make your first $100, $500, or even $1,000 online without needing complicated tech skills. It's designed to be user-friendly and accessible to everyone, regardless of your background or experience. Imagine working from the comfort of your home, or anywhere you choose, without endless hours of work. The Cash Now funnel allows you to enjoy more free time, pursue your passions, and live life on your own terms. And the best part? You won't feel overwhelmed. The system is straightforward and easy to follow, ensuring that you can start seeing results quickly. For $1 only, you can try it for 14 days right now. So why wait? Take the first step towards financial freedom today with the Cash Now funnel. The Cash Now funnel works because it's designed to do the hard work for you. Imagine having a system that takes care of all the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Whether you're a busy professional, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking to make extra income, this funnel is tailored to fit your lifestyle seamlessly. You don't need to be a marketing expert. Forget about spending countless hours trying to learn complex marketing strategies, or investing in expensive courses, or have a big social media following. Even if you have just a handful of followers, the Cash Now funnel can still work wonders for you. All you need to do is follow the step-by-step blueprint, which is laid out in a simple, easy-to-understand manner. No technical jargon, no confusing instructions, just clear, actionable steps. And the funnel does the rest. Watch as the automated system brings in cash flow effortlessly, turning your financial dreams into reality. With notifications of earnings coming straight to your smartphone, you'll see real results in no time. Real people, real results. Experience the power of the Cash Now funnel today. This funnel is 100% beginner-friendly and fully automated, and for $1 only. That means you can start earning while you sleep, literally. Set it up once and watch the income roll in. But here's the thing, success loves speed. The faster you get started, the sooner you can see results. So don't wait. Click the link below right now to learn more and start your Cash Now funnel today. This is your chance to take control of your future and build the life you've always dreamed of. So, what are you waiting for? Click that link, and I'll see you on the inside.